Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we'll be doing daily technical analysis in Euro USD currency pairs. We'll start the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and in all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels, and you can use these levels for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously from the level of 1.03, it was on a bullish trend, and then it went up to the level of 1.25. Then retracement happened and took support on the support level of 1.07. Again went on a bullish trend. Again took resistance at the resistance level of 1.23. And currently the price action is on a bearish trend. And I have drawn the resistance line also over here. So you can notice that at this level, when the price action tested this resistance level, it bounced back and took support on the support level of 1.07. Again next time when it tested this resistance level, you can notice that it breached this resistance level and then took resistance at the previous low trend line or the resistance line. Then again it bounced back, but next time when it bounced back, you can notice that this line was acting as a very strong support for the past price action. And from this level, price action bounced back and took resistance on the resistance line or the trend line from the previous high. You can notice it. And then it bounced back, again went on a bullish trend, forming a double top pattern. Then the trend reversal has started. So we can notice the importance of this red color trend line or the resistance and support line. Currently also when we notice the price action, it has taken support on this trend line, the red color line, and the price has bounced back. And when we look at the overall price action, on the top side also, bullish side also, the price action is on a bearish trend, and on the bottom side or the support line side, the trend line is in a bullish trend. So when we connect the resistance and support line, you can notice that it is forming into a very nice symmetric triangle pattern. So from this we understand that there is no direction in this currency pair in daily time frame. So the price action is trading within the support and resistance range in daily time frame, and currently it has tested this support level and it is in a bullish trend to test this resistance levels. And when we closely analyze the current price action, previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend and took support on this red color trend line, and it is on a retracement, and this area between 1.14 1.13 is acting as a very strong resistance currently. Previously also the price action tested this level and went on a bearish trend. Again it took support and again retesting on this resistance level. We can expect the price action to bounce back from this level, because previously also this level had acted as a very strong resistance. If the price action breaches this level, next resistance is going to be around 1.16, and if the price action bounces back, we know that this trend line or the support line is going to be acting as a very strong support. So these are all the resistance, and this is a support level in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I have drawn the resistance line. Previously the price action has respected this resistance line and was in a very nice downtrend, and it has broken momentarily this resistance line and tested this previous resistance, and it couldn't break this resistance line and was on a downtrend, and it took support on the previous trend line from the daily time frame, and it started its bullish trend, and again it is now testing the resistance. From the past price action, we understand that this currency pair usually makes a double bottom or double top. Currently we can understand that it is making a double top pattern. So we can expect the price action to get rejected at this level and again retrace back and take support on the previous support level of 1.11. Only when it breaks this support level we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Otherwise we can expect the price action to move on a sideways. Previously also it had moved on a sideways, then went on a bullish side. So we can expect a similar price action to continue as long as these trend lines and these resistance levels are holding strong. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So the values marked in yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame, and previously the price action got rejected at this level, and currently also when we look at the current price action it is getting rejected and we can expect a trend reversal in this currency pair. Still when the price action retraces we can expect it to taking support at the support level of 1.12, and if the bearish trend is still stronger we can expect a further fall and take support on the support level of 1.12. This level is going to be acting as a very strong support for the current price action, as this is the support line from the daily time frame. So if the price action breaches this support line we can expect a further fall and take support on the next level of support, which is going to be around 1.11. Then it will be a 100% retracement from where it started its bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously the price action was moving on a sideways, taking support on this trend line, and suddenly it went on a bullish trend and tested the level of 1.14. Then again when it retraced also it took support on this trend line. Since the bearish trend was very strong, it continued its bearish trend and took support on the very strong support level from the higher time frame. Again the price action bounced back. While bouncing back also this trend line acted as a very strong resistance, so it has to consolidate within this level, and then after the news it continued its bullish trend. Currently you can notice that the price action is getting rejected, so we can expect the price action to retrace and take support on this trend line. The price action has to break this resistance level to actually continue its bullish trend further. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Here we can notice that the price action is trying to make double top pattern. When the double top pattern completes we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Next level of support is going to be around 1.13 to 1.13081. As long as this level is not taken we can expect a sideways market to continue in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously it was in a very nice bullish trend respecting this resistance line, and it broke this resistance line and went on a bullish trend. But it couldn't break this resistance level of 1.14. Now the price action is in a retracement. Currently the price action is taking support on the previous trend line. Once the price action breaches this trend line we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and taking support on the next level of trend line over here. Here we can clearly notice that bullish trend is becoming weaker and there is a sign of trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was a very nice bullish trend and couldn't break this higher time frame resistance level of 1.14, and it has taken a trend reversal and went on a bearish trend. It formed similar to a double bottom pattern and started a trend reversal on the bullish side. But when we notice the price action also, the bullishness is getting weaker and weaker. You can notice that the bearish trend is starting on this currency pair. For the 5 minutes time frame, this trend line or the support line is going to be acting as a support for now. once the price action breaches this support line, we can expect a further fall and taking support on the higher time frame support level of 1.139. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. Values in yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is taking support at the support level of 1.14476, and you can also notice that the price action is forming a symmetric triangle pattern, which means there is no direction in the market. Once the price action breaches this bearish side or on the bullish side, we can expect a directional movement in this currency pair. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.